Hello kids, how are you? In this lesson, I will explain how to do the video activity in the practice time in this Moodle, okay? So we have here topic 3 and the same question. What are my goals? So in this activity, you will be watching a video and the instruction says watch and click on true or false. So you first watch the video, you click here, okay? And before watching the video, okay, you can make a pause a moment, and it's important that you press here caption subtitles, okay, this part here, and that you press the English button, the English option, so that the captions appear here, okay? Why? Because I want you to practice your listening and also your reading, and this will help you to improve your pronunciation in English, okay? When you watch a video, you listen and you read the subtitles in English, this will help you a lot, believe me kids, right? Okay, when you begin watching the video, it's also important to remember the characters that will appear in this video, okay? Do you remember this girl here? What's her name? I'm sure that you remember, right? She is Natalia. Yes, very good. Do you remember this boy here? You remember him? Yes? He is Lee. Very good. And this girl here is Maddie. Excellent. And this boy here is Max. Yes, remember Maddie and Max are twins. They are brother and sister, right? They are twins. Good. So you will watch the video, kids. And after watching the video, you will come to these questions down and you only need to click here true or false. So for example, number 1 says, Max feels he's ready for the skateboarding finals. So you watch the video and you tell me if that is true or false. Number 2 says, Lee hates giving speeches. What do you think? You see the video and you click here, true or false. Number 3 says, the top 2 suggestions by the viewers are meditation and visualization. So you click here, true or false. Number 4 says, meditation helped Max to perform his skateboard trick. What do you think? True or false? Number 5 says, Natalia hasn't submitted her video idea yet. Number 6 says, Natalia feels really energetic after her deep breathing exercises. And number 7 says, Mari eventually finds the file she lost. So in all these sentences, you mark true or false. And of course, you can check your answers. Yes, here. Remember to be honest. Watch the video once, twice, 3 times, as many times as you need. Click your options, true or false, and then you can check your answers, right? This is a practice activity, kids. You don't need to send me any photo on this. This is just online, okay? I trust that you are honest and that you will do your best. And this is for practice, some listening, okay, and some pronunciation, as I said to you. And I hope that you enjoy this video activity, okay? Goodbye, kids. See you in the next opportunity.